Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today we are going to learn how to use a dictionary. Who has ever seen a dictionary before? Raise your hands. Yes, I love it. Okay, so dictionaries, do you know what they're used for? Can anyone tell me what they're used for? Yeah.
To look up the definition of that word, and also the dictionary will tell you like the synonyms, if it's a verb or noun.
Yeah, it tells you a lot of stuff. Okay, so since none of you are super familiar with it, I'm going to show you how to look it up in a dictionary, a book. If you guys don't have physical dictionaries, you can use your electronic devices to help you. So first, I'm going to show you how. Let's pretend this is a dictionary. Okay, so the dictionary goes from A to Z. So it will start with a word like apple and end with a word like zebra. So I'm going to look up the word happy and tell you what the definition is, okay? Okay, so the definition of happy. The definition of happy is feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. Okay, so now that we know that word, I want to find a word that means the same thing. So a synonym. That's a word that means the same thing. So a synonym is cheerful. So I'll look up the word cheerful, and it says, how about jovial? Let's go with jovial. Jovial is cheerful and friendly. Okay. So now I want you all to look up the word excellent on your phones or whatever you have. And I want one person to read the definition to me. Okay?
Possessing an outstanding quality or good.
Okay. And could one person tell me a synonym of that word and the definition of it?
Fantastic.
Synonym of excellent?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read the definition of fantastic
Yeah. After I look it up, teach.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, conceived or appearing as if conceived by an unrestrained imagination, odd or remarkable,
Okay,
fanciful.
perfect. And Nathan, could you tell me an antonym and the definition of that antonym? An antonym, by the way, is it means the opposite. So synonym are two words that are different words, but they mean the same thing, and an antonym is something that's opposite of that word.
I got two. I'm gonna go with inferior as an antonym, and it says maybe not inferior. The other one was poor.
Okay.
All of it inferior. Its definition is lower in rank, status, or quality, low or lower in position. And inferior, a person lower than rank, so just pretty much lower.
Yeah. Great, thank you. Do you have another antonym over there?
Miami.
Naomi? What'd you say?
No,
No,
you
you don't have one. Do you know what an antonym is?
it's like, you said like opposite to
Opposite means.
synonym.
So opposite of excellent would be, what do you
Maybe worse.
think? Worse. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so you would just look up, you don't have to now, but you just look up the definition and compare. Okay, now we're going to watch a short video clip to help you guys understand what a synonym and antonym is a little bit better.
Antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms synonyms tell you about the relationship between two words. If the words mean the opposite of each other, they are antonyms. If the words have the same meaning as each other, they are synonyms. Just think of it like this. Antonyms are opposite, and synonyms are similar. Are cats and dogs antonyms? Remember, that means opposites. No. Sometimes these animals do not get along, but that doesn't make them opposites. The words cat and dog don't have antonyms because there's no such thing as an uncat or an undog. But these words do have synonyms, which means what? Similar. Right. Can you think of another word that has the same meaning? Or that you could use in place of the word cat? Maybe a word like kitty? You could say, this is my kitty, Fluffy. Or, this is my cat, Fluffy. And the sentences would have the same meaning. How about another word for dog? Like pooch. Can you think of any more synonyms? How about a synonym for frightened? How about scared? Frightened and scared have the same meaning.
Great job, class.
Or how about quick?
Fast.
Can you think of a word that means the same thing as quick? Maybe fast? Or maybe even speedy?
Speedy.
Yes! Words can have more than one synonym. Fast, quick, and speedy are all synonyms. They all have the same meaning. What about some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings? Does fast have an antonym? Yes, slow. Slow is the opposite of fast, so they are antonyms. If you said, my car is fast and my car is slow, you'd be saying two very different things, opposite things. How about old? Does old have an opposite?
Yeah.
Yep. Young. Young and old are antonyms. Does new have any antonyms? Old? Didn't we already use old? That's right. Some words can have more than one antonym or opposite. New and old are also antonyms, just like young and old. So, does that mean that if old is an antonym of new and young, that young and new are synonyms? Sometimes, but not always. New and young don't really have the same meaning. Usually, things are new, and people are young. But things and people both get old. Can you think of any more antonyms? Exhausted and energized. Heavy and light. Dark and light. Aha! Another tricky one. By the way, those were all adjectives, but synonyms and antonyms can also be verbs. Raise is an antonym of lower. Tug is a synonym of pull. Also, they can be nouns. You'll find a lot fewer nouns that have antonyms, but there are a few. Day and night are antonyms. Bucket and pail are synonyms. All you have to do is remember this. Antonyms are opposite and synonyms are similar.
Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So now I'm going to Okay, I'm going to write down some words, and each one of you will come up here and write down the synonyms and antonyms to the words, okay? Alright. So, yours will be antonym right here. Actually, I'm gonna have you write down a synonym and an antonym for each word. Can you do that?
Okay.
Okay. There's 4 of you, right? Okay. Okay, so I didn't really give you a ton of room, but you can write it over here. Melly, I'll start with you. Okay, you're gonna write a synonym and antonym for each word written on the board.
And you want each of us to do each word?
Yeah. But we'll just do one at a time. Oh, I guess you can all come up here, but it would be easier one at a time, so let's just do one at a time. Okay, so your word is achieve. This might be a little hard, but got it.
I'm trying to think of cautiously.
Complete, good one. What, huh? What's the opposite of completing something? Opposite. And antonym is opposite.
I'm done.
Or quit,
I'm not done.
fail, quit, any of those. There you go. You're not, you're good. Okay, run, run. Perfect, thank you. Nathan. Brave. Yeah, that's good.
Is that US?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the US, yeah.
Your word is compliment. Blessing, okay.
I'm not sure if this spells right.
Formation, soul, yeah. Yeah, that works. I don't know. Okay. Great. Now that you guys have a good understanding of what it is, I'm going to pass out some worksheets. And there are 2 antonym worksheets and 2 synonym worksheets. So I will pass these out. Right. Here's 4 for you. Sorry, there's a lot.
You need help?
Yeah, we need that cancel out.
Good miss these worksheets.
I miss these so much.
doesn't matter which one you start on first,
As long as you complete them all, we'll go over them. If any of you need help with directions, please let me know. Or if this one- Okay, is everyone done? Or close to being done? Okay, we're just gonna go through them a little bit because we're running low on time. Okay. So let's go through antonyms first. Let's just shout it out, okay? Opposite of big,
Small.
Small.
good,
Track.
wet,
Dry.
clean,
Messy.
enemy,
Friend.
slow,
Fast.
difficult,
Easy.
day,
Night.
happy,
Angry.
soft,
Hard.
poor,
Rich.
ugly,
Pretty.
quiet,
Noisy.
wrong,
Right.
hot,
Icy.
awake,
Asleep.
good job. Second sheet of antonyms. Exciting,
Bored.
difficult,
Simple.
playful,
Serious.
Serious.
delight,
Upset.
bland,
Tasty.
Tasty.
always,
Never.
handsome,
Ugly.
enormous,
Tiny.
stiff,
Flexible.
arrived.
Alright.
Does anyone have questions on those?
I didn't get the answers.
Is the
It
English
was so
okay?
fast.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Wasn't sure. Some of the words are like, I don't know. Yes, I guess. Okay, so synonyms. Let's go through the sheet with the sentences first. Yeah. Okay. Dylan was glum because he could not go to the party. What's another word for that?
Sad.
Sad. Okay. A little mouse ran under the kitchen table.
Tiny.
Carly was sleepy because she stayed up late last night.
Tired.
Okay. Jacob found a small rock on the playground.
Snow.
Kaylee knew all of the correct answers.
Right.
The class was very noisy at lunch. Good job, 100% to all of you. Okay, so I feel like I need to give you guys some more time. So I'm gonna end it there, but I want you for homework to write 4 sentences, 2 with synonyms, 2 using antonyms in the same sentence. Okay, so I had a joyful day, period. I had a happy day. So it's just gonna be all in one sentence. Okay, and that's it.